Hey team, Mr. Horn here. We are going to start our foray into minor scales today. So, when many people talk about minor, they only call it minor, okay? But there are actually two more little curse words that we associate with minor. One is the kind of minor it is. All right, there are three different kinds of minor. Natural being the one when people say minor, natural is the one they're usually talking about. So we're going to start there. And then there are two ways to compare them with major scales, and the easiest is parallel. So today we're going to actually talk about parallel, natural, minor. So parallel is super simple. Whatever major key you're in, you just use the same title and then say minor afterward. So for example, the parallel minor of C major is C minor. The parallel minor of D major is D minor. The parallel major of E minor is E major. The parallel minor of Turkey major is Turkey minor, and so forth. Very easy. So like, pretend I'm rapid firing questions at you. What's the minor of? What's parallel minor of? A flat major. You would say A flat minor. Right. So super simple. Okay. So let's start with our big question. Our big question is, what is E minor? So that's the question I'm after, all right? What is E minor, okay? So step one, I told you this, we're gonna start with major all the time, okay? So I'm not gonna start with E minor, I'm gonna start with whatever they want me to find, I'm gonna find the major first, okay? So I'm gonna find E major. I wrote out in treble clef, sorry Ben, E to E, all right? It still needs accidentals, all right? So how we know E major is a sharp side scale. So we write do, and we go 1/2 step lower using a different letter. That's D sharp, okay? Pardon the crying baby in the background. That's D sharp, okay? And then we use our acronym, and we stop when we get to that letter. So fat cats go dancing, all right? There are our sharps for this scale. So now we're going to add them to the scale. Fat, and I'll move my arm in a second. Cats go dancing. There we go. The full E major scale in all its glory. All right. Now to turn this into E minor, we're going to lower 3 scale degrees. We're going to lower the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th. All right. And by lower, what I mean is go 1/2 step lower. So if it's sharp note, it's going to become natural. If it's natural note, it's going to become flat. If it's a flat note, it actually becomes double flat. All right, so pretty cool there. All 3 of these notes, however, you'll notice are sharp. So we're going to eliminate the sharps, all right? So we're going to lower them. Lower the 3rd. I'm just going to simply erase the sharp. It's good to work in pencil. 3rd, 6th, and 7th, okay? And what I'm left with is the E natural minor scale. Zoom. So no longer E major, now this is E minor. Excellent. So if I was going to do this with a key signature, I would just look to see what remained. The only thing we have left is an F sharp. So I'll write F sharp right there, and then E to E. And that would have been the E minor scale. All right, very cool. Okay, so let's do that using key signatures only. All right, so first, E major key signature is F sharp. We said 4 sharps. C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. There's our E major key signature. Okay, if we wanted to turn that into E minor, here's the simple trick. You just add 3 flats to the key signature, starting all the way on the right side, okay? All the way on the right side. So you add 3 flats, and flats cancel sharps. So I'm going to add a flat, that cancels this sharp. I'm going to add a second flat, that cancels that sharp. We're going to add a 3rd flat, which is going to cancel that sharp, and here, it's the same key signature. So that's our first shortcut to go from parallel major to minor. We add 3 flats to key signature. All right, write that down. That's our first shortcut. To go from parallel major to minor, we add 3 flats to the key signature. Let's do one in our head, C major. Okay, if we wanted C minor, we would add 3 flats to the key signature. So what are the flats? And it's the same order of flats. Bar, every, at. If you have 3 flats in a key, it can only be these 3 flats. You couldn't have B flat, F flat, and C flat. No. They have to be in order. They have to be in that order of bar, every, at, dancing, go, cats, fat. All right? Or in the same thing with sharps. Fat cats go dancing at every bar. It has to be in that order. You can't just have random sharps. Okay? So let's do a different one. Because although they have to be in specific orders, there are some keys, like let's do G minor. Okay, so for step 1, I'll go bass clef for Ben. Step 1, we write the major scale. So G, not G minor, G major. So I'm writing the major scale. Oop. It's hard to do this with my camera in front of my face. There we go. And G major is a sharp side scale. It's a sharp side scale, which means again, we take do, we go down 1/2 step using a different letter. So G, go down 1/2 step, F sharp, and we say the acronym and we stop on that sharp. So fat, I'm already there. So G major has 1 sharp and it's F sharp, okay? I know major scales is a review for you all because you guys have been doing great on them, but it's good to go through the steps. Okay, now we need to turn this into G minor. So we lower the 3rd. I'll quickly write the numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. We lower 3, 6, and 7. Okay, so we have a B natural here, so that's actually going to become B flat. We have an E natural here, that's going to become E flat, and when we lower the 7th, we erase that sharp. So the G minor scale is actually a flat minor scale. Actually has flats in the key signature, which is very interesting. The major had sharps, the minor has flats. Okay, so the key signature for G minor would have been 2 flats, B flat and E flat. Okay, because those are the 2 that remain. So pretty cool. All right, let's do. I have one little more space down here. Let's do a flat scale. Let's do a flat minor scale. So how about E flat minor? Cool. So for our, we're going to start obviously with E flat major to find our major scale. We use the order of sharps backwards. When we get to the name of the key, we go 1 more. Okay. So I'm going to quickly write back in treble clef. I'm going to write the scale out real quick. There we go. E flat major. There we go. I didn't write any accidentals yet because we'll do that together. All right. So bar every, there's the name of the scale, E flat major, bar every, and then we go 1 more, at. So B flat, E flat, and we're going to have 2 E flats because it's do, so it's at the bottom and the top. And then bar every, at, A flat. All right, that's the E flat major scale, okay? So we have to lower scale degree 3, 6, and 7. They're all 3 natural notes, so we're going to lower them by adding flats. Whoa. And we look and we see that the E flat minor scale has a heck of a lot of flats. It's all flat except for the F natural right there. Okay? So that's a different scale. So right up here, here's our E flat major key signature. Remember, our shortcut is going from major to minor, we add 3 flats to the key signature. So if we look right here, that's E flat major. If we were going E flat minor, bar every, at, dancing, go, cats. 6 flats. Come down here, 6 flats. There are actually 7 flats, but remember that E flat is duplicated because it's do. Okay, so be careful when you're counting flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You might say 7. Oh, it's the wrong key. No. That E flat happens twice. So don't count that one when you're counting the flats. So 6 flats, 6 flats. That's natural minor scales. Cool. Very good. I'll put some more links in our assignment just in case you need a couple goes at this. All right, and then you have some practice. We'll see you soon.